Universidad de Medellín. Universidad de Medellín was born on February 1, 1950. It was founded by a group of outstanding young scholars in the city of Medellín who became spokespeople for important sectors of the community in Antioquia. They took it upon themselves to build a higher education center where people could teach freely and at the same time assume learning. The ruling idea of Universidad Medellín, ever since it was founded, has always been to offer education with freedom and without any political, racial, social, or religious constraints, or of any other sort, and to foster scientific research focusing on resolving Colombia's problems. In 1961, Universidad de Medellín moved to its current campus in Belén Los Alpes, which is the home of the university's infrastructure. It enables the university to carry out its undergraduate and postgraduate programs and to provide various services for the well-being of the university community. Universidad de Medellín is not a public higher education institution. It is organized as a common profit corporation which offers university training programs through an integrated syllabus or one set up in cycles providing advanced training, non-formal education, and continued education.